Yes, good morning, children. All of you, welcome to ninth standard. As a part of ninth standard, as a part of social studies, you are going to see a new topic in economics. So, in NCERT economics, you have got 4 chapters. Among those 4 chapters, the first important one is the story of village Palampur. The Palampur, the village which we have selected, it is hypothetical. That means we have imagined this just for our discussion purpose. What is the main purpose of introducing this chapter is to introduce some basic concepts of production. Some basic concepts of production. Remember this. So what is the main aim of introducing this chapter? To explain about some basic concepts of production. So what is production? How it is done? That is explained by describing about this village. Now coming back about this village Palampur. So the village which is called Palampur here, in Palampur the main activity is occupation. The main occupation of most of the people is farming. What is the main occupation of the most of the population? That is farming. That is nothing but agriculture. And not only farming, you can see other occupations also. What are those? Even you can find that is dairy, next small scale manufacturing, next transport. That means people not only depended on farming, even some people depended on dairying, some people depended on small scale manufacturing, some people depend on transport. So just know the meaning of dairying. Dairying is nothing but that is gathering of milk from the cattle, particularly cows, buffaloes, like that, and sending, that is particularly those, whenever we gather the entire milk, we will send that to the near factories. And small scale manufacturing, nothing but the production activity which can be done with the help of family members only, or even with the limited workers. That is small scale manufacturing. For example, a pottery work, maybe weaving work, smithy work, like that. All activities come under small scale manufacturing. Okay. Now, how these activities are done? All these activities are done in order to do all these activities. That means either farming or dairying or transport or small scale manufacturing, we require some resources. What are the resources? What are the resources here we want? We want some natural resources, some human-made, that is what, man-made resources or human-made tools, and money we want. Okay, so we require some natural, even human efforts. So the activities what I have mentioned earlier, in order to do all those activities, we require some natural resources, human-made tools, that is man-made tools. We require money, even we require efforts, which are actually kept by the human being, kept by people. All these we want to do what? Production. So that is about production. So by using all these, whenever we do all these, that is called a production. Okay. Now, by combining all these, we produce goods. So what is production now? What is production? So production is nothing but the goods and services are created by using resources. How goods and services are created? Goods and services are created by using resources. That is nothing but production. Understood? So what is production? Production is nothing but using resources to create goods and services. That is called a production. Now, by going through about this village, you are going to see all the important terms of this production. Now coming to about Palampur. So what is this Palampur? So Palampur is a village which we have imagined here. This village, I told you already, most of the people main activities farming. And second important, how many families are there in this village? 550 families. In these 550 families, nearly 80 families actually belong to upper caste. Which caste? Upper caste. And the upper caste particularly which have got their houses which are built with bricks and cement. And in the total families, 1/3 families belong to which community? SC community. Which community? SC community. The whose houses are made with mud and straw. So their houses are built with mud and straw, and the upper caste people houses have been built with the bricks and cement. So that is about a brief information about how the families are in Rampur. And this Rampur village is, Palampur village is well connected with all types of transportation. That means particularly farmers, they use bullock carts, tongas in order to carry jaggery to the near market. And also they use other important vehicles also, like trucks and some other four-wheeler vehicles to carry some other commodities. That's what you have to remember. And this Palampur village is having all such important facilities. And the other important thing what you have, just 3 kilometers away, there is one small town called Raiganj. What is the village? What is the big village called Raiganj? 3 kilometers away. And even after Raiganj, you can see other village called Shahpur. What is the other village called Shahpur? 3 kilometers away from Palampur is Raiganj. And if you go some more kilometers, you get to Shahpur also. So people who are living in Palampur, they used to transport their goods to near Raiganj and Shahpur, and even they purchase the goods which they require from these two important villages, big villages. And particularly the transportation, what I have mentioned, those are not tar roads, those are wither roads. Which roads? Wither roads. That means Raiganj is connected with Palampur with not tar road, with the wither road. That means the road which is made up of soil, not with the tar. Understood? So this is about transportation. Next, coming to facilities. Which type of facilities that Palampur has got actually? So in Palampur village, already I told you how the families are. And in Palampur village, there are 2 primary schools. How many? 2 primary schools and 1 high school. 1 high school. And even 1 primary health center. But it is a primary health center. And even 1 dispensary also. Dispensary also. That means where you can get the medicine only, not treatment. Even there is 1 private dispensary also. What is that? Private dispensary also there in Palampur. So in such a way, the Palampur has got these important facilities. And even I told you about families, 350 families. Out of 350 families, 80 families belong to upper caste and 1/3 SCs. And most of the people have got electricity facility. And even in order to do farming, there are electric pump sets. That means electricity facilities there in Palampur village. So with our discussion, what you come to know, you came to know that the Palampur is well connected with the transportation, and it has got the primary health center and 2 primary schools and 1 high school. In that way, this village has got all such important facilities. Okay, so with this imagined village, we have to understand the basic concepts of production. Okay,